Tidy iron train!
Wow! Oh, it's 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Here, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino chaos everywhere, riding on a train.
Choo, choo, choo!
Kitty driving fast, you know.
You know!
5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, "No more dinos jumping on the train." Riding on a train.
Hip, choo, choo!
Riding on a train.
Hip, choo, choo!
4 little dinosaurs.
Bingo!
4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey, and the monkey then said, "Stop the dino shaking the train." Choo choo train.
Choo, choo, choo!
Funny dino train.
Quack, quack, quack! Hee-haw!
3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda, and the panda then said, "No more candy on the train." Riding on a train.
Sticky, sticky train!
Riding on a train.
Hip, choo, choo!
2 little dinosaurs.
Hee-haw!
Little dinosaurs riding on a train.
Oh, no.
One pulled lever once again. The kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train.
Choo, choo, choo!
Crazy, crazy train."
Hee-haw!
One little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. The kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Dino train is working well." Riding on a train.
Choo, choo, go!
Riding on a train.
Choo, choo, go!
Happy Dino steal the show! Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. How to conk here and bump it there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus. Go, go, go! But something's wrong, you know.
No!
5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss.
Ew! Jump! Crack!
Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, "Sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats." 4 funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, "What was that?" Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, "Drive slow today." 3 funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Splish, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, "Cleat everywhere." 2 funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy bark and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, "Quiet again." 1 funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Door flew wide. Kitty said, "Hold on tight." Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, "Fix the door." All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, "Now let's go, Coco." Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show.
Oh, saw jungle night.
Wow!
Moon is bright. Magic book starts glowing like cookies. Letters jump and run away. Pretty starts the game today. Jungle calls coming through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mr. Ray, Mr. Ray, where are you? Here I am, peeking the trail. Mr. B, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the bear so wide they got you deep, low place to hide. Mr. C, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near crocodile splash pool. Got you see in one big dash. Hey! Mr. D, where are you?
Oh no!
Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the deer so fast. Got you deep, found you at last. Mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near elephant ear so big. Got you, we do a happy G. Mr. F, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding on a lily leaf. Got you F, quick and brief. Mr. G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind giraffe so tall. Got you G, I saw it all. Mr. H, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding in hippo water splash. When got you H in one fast dash. Say to H all found today. Jungle fun in every way. Kitty wins the alphabet thing. Jungle now is never the same. Mr. I, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding in the bush so low. Got in near the jungle stone. Slithering under leafy dung. Got you S, you're found instead. Mr. T, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding under leaves so wide. Got you G, come outside. Mr. M, where are you? Here I am,
Oh no!
peekaboo. Swinging fast on jungle rope. Shut you and wild escape rope. Talking loud in jungle air. Jungle letters side by side. Petey searching every tree. Fun adventure, wild and free. Mr. Q, G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Running in the bush so small. Got you, I saw it all.